Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.
President ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee ba Vincent H. Pala ulaong bahakini kisan snem ka party kala kendu jing Henry menta kila yo ya ki Kyrtong ki babiang bat don ka jingkerman bakin yo ra ya ka jingjob ha ka election jiet nong mikmat saying dor bar thau an ka jella ka bansa long house nem arhajar ar pholai shu ulaong ru bahakini kisan benai badangsa kam jengai shu na ka benta ki Kyrtong bakin penkre bat udon ka jingkerman bakin sale bha ula pentik naru da ka baong baka party congress kamplot AA hakani ka por menta kat syabaphai kelas dang klan shu.
Next we call upon Anshu Mishra who secured 94.2% on SSE examination.
We didn't have a candidates at the beginning. Today we have got good candidates. So we are preparing well. I hope we should do well. Another 5 months away. I think
next we call upon Shanisha Ray who secured 89.1% on SSLC
but for
examination.
the candidates maybe it's short time. But I am very confident this time we should do well. So I think that is beyond my
next we call upon Rohit Roy who secured 88% on SSCE arts examination.
That has to be done with him and maybe with somebody. But that is only a rumors. So rumors remain rumors. I don't think so. One of Congress is weak. If you see Congress is the only party who will be
next we call upon Nikhil Kumar Ray who secured 87.5% on ICSE examination 2022.
Be it in Giant Hills, be in Rivoy, be in West Castles, be in Baroh Hills. I think Congress this time is
now
the
we
most
call upon Krishna Sharma who secured 88.6% on SSC examination 2022.
But be it the farmer, be it the businessman, be it the business community, and be it the government servants, they have faced
the next
lots
we
of
call
problems
upon
for the last
Lakintio Kurba who secured 86.6% on the
only
SSLC examination 2021.
The only hopes on this time is the Congress. So it's only depend on us. If we give a good candidate, educated with a clean image.
Next we call upon Zara de Kerala Rathapamro who secured 86.6% on the ICSE examination 2020.
Most people they look down at the Congress, but if you analyze constituency by constituency, we are doing much better.
We call upon Karen Lingdor for securing 86.5% in the SSLC examination 2021.
What are the